Hey, what's up, people? It's Casper here from Anonic. Welcome to our weekly video blog where we look at how to make better customer journeys, of course. So first up, I have a video called Does Your Digital Project Struggle to Show Value by Tamas Hevizi. In his video, he looks into why some digital projects create millions in value while others make little impact at all. What makes high impact projects so different? Good news is that he shares what he has learned about which digital projects deliver excellent value by talking about value creation plans that are driven from board level and have a short set of initiatives with clear value targets. He even then goes on to give you top 3 action points for you to take. Do check out his video and subscribe to his YouTube channel as he updates his content frequently on the topic of creating digital value. Next up is an article by Deepthi Nagarajan from Product Marketing Alliance and how to deliver an effective product demo. Here you will learn what are the best ways to do a product demo, and basically you should show, don't just tell. She gives you tips including knowing your audience, showing relevant features that make your life easier and what benefits it brings to the customers, and how to create a healthy dialogue and being able to listen to your customer. That's it for this week. Thank you and see you next week.